Hello friends, welcome to my channel Live Takes on Tools, and today I am going to make a simple car, but in this car I had used L293 IC and Arduino. So friends, let's make it. Okay. I had already attached the motors and battery with switch. I had taken out the motors wire. You can buy this kit, Robo Kit, in Redco.com, and there is a 11.1 volt battery. Okay, that is L293 IC, and this is a Arduino Uno. Now attach the Arduino Uno on double-sided tape. Then attach the L293 IC with Arduino Uno. Okay, now connect the wires with L293 IC. Don't worry about the connections. I will also show you connection diagram. If you have any kinds of confusion or questions, then you can do comments. And also friends, do comments to know what kinds of videos you like. Friends, I am also an student, so don't think I am a teacher. I am also an as you is what I know I will share. Now I had attached the connect the wire, then connect the negative pin of battery with GND and positive wire to positive pin. Okay, now install the Bluetooth. I had used HC06 Bluetooth. This Bluetooth is cost about 725 rupees. And connect the VCC to 5 volt power supply, GND to negative pin, and TX pin of Bluetooth to RX pin of Arduino, and TX and RX pin of Bluetooth to TX pin of Arduino. While uploading the code, we have to put out the RX and TX pin because it takes some errors. Okay, now all things is done. It's 9 volt battery. It gives power to the Arduino and Bluetooth. 11.1 volt battery is for powering the motors and L293 IC. Okay, all things done. This is the circuit diagram of L293 IC with motors.
Open the computer and the code. First of all, you have to download the code from the given link in the description. Then open that code in Arduino. You have to also download one library. Its name is Adafruit library. Here you can see there is written include fmotor.h. It means that you have to install that library. So in this way there is present, so you have to copy that folder and paste in Arduino library. Okay, now I have pasted. Then again go to that Bluetooth car program and then now install. But after installing, we have to put out the RX and TX pin from the car. Now after disconnecting the wire, you have to connect the USB cable with computer. Now upload the code. After uploading the code, let's go for test. If you like the video, then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe and press the bell icon for getting upcoming videos. Yes friends, programming is done. Now open the app which is called Bluetooth RC controller. You have to download this app from the Play Store. I had given the link in the description. Okay, first power the Arduino and board. Okay, now Bluetooth is blinking. Now go to that app and in setting connect to a car and select the Bluetooth. Yeah, my Bluetooth is SC06, so I had to select that. Now after some time it will be green. Friends, at first we have to pair that Bluetooth and then you can see in that list, otherwise it cannot be shown. So when pairing, it will ask for password, so you can click 1 2 3 4 as a password. Friends, it is moving so well. I cannot believe that it was so fast, as that's amazing. Compared to other car, it means I also make previous car, but that car is not more fast and direction cannot be changed so fast, but it is doing very good performance. Friends, I will also attach some sensors in coming videos in this car, like obstacle avoiding car, line point, line 4 and other many sensors. Friends, if you have any kinds of questions, then you can do comments, and don't forget to subscribe the video. Thanks for watching the video. Okay friends, let's bye. Be happy.